Hello and welcome to my video today about this, and it's about this Waldmann & Co safety light that I found at a car boot sale in Leicestershire. Some information about the light. Waldmann Gmbh & Co. It's got some more information about it. Apologise for the angle, but it's quite long and it's getting in the way. But there we go, a bit more. 3 languages. Placing the tube and so on. And when I got this light, it came with basically a tube, some end caps, a starter, and that was it. Nothing else. Now the starter, not original I don't think, is an Eveready FSU 4 to 65 volt, 220 volt to 240 volt, a British standard, and a barcode on it which makes it look fairly modern. Do not dispose of in a dustbin. Don't know what you're meant to do with these. There's no other way of recycling them. That all the starter does in this light is basically stop it from rattling the fitting. This wire would have gone to this bayonet, and all I've done is I've disconnected it and then just run that wire back into the other side, and then the other wire now goes direct into here. So both of these wires just go to this end cap. On the other side, the 2 wires go to this chocolate block and then out on these blue wires to a ballast. The 2 yellow wires are connected to this end cap, and then there's an earth that grounds onto this piece of metal, which is then also connected to one of the blue wires as well. Now this is because I'm using a different ballast. I'm using basically a bus inverter, and it's made in England. It's a type XB140/24HD. It's designed to run 30 to 40 watt fluorescents, and basically you connect these ends to the lamp, and obviously the power can go on 2 pluses or 2 minuses. Now there's a reason why there's 2 pluses and 2 minuses, because if this was operating on a door on a bus, you use all 4 wires. 2 wires are permanent live and the others trigger, causing the light to come on when the door's open. And basically I have to use this because I haven't got a correct ballast. And as I said, to wire it up, the 2 yellow wires go to A. It doesn't matter which way around. Apart from you have to put them on a certain way or you can't actually fit them on this unit. And the blue wires, this normal blue wire goes on B, and the blue and earth wire just clip on the bottom B for grounding. The tube that came with this light is showing a bit of wear, not too bad, slight marking. It's quite old, but I don't know how old, but it's made by Sylvania, standard F20135RS or T12. It's white, again it's recyclable, and it was made in Germany, and it gives out a fairly nice white light. Now the rest of the light is basically this piece of plastic, and all that does is covers the wires, so you can't see the wires at the end of the light. I don't know if there's meant to be 2. If anybody knows, You can tell me, comments. Mine only has one. The other end cap looks like this, and basically you undo these 3 screws, it loosens this rubber, and then you can pull it off the polycarbonate tube. The polycarbonate tube is in fairly good condition, some light scratches, and that's about it really. Go. Right, now I am using this Omron S8VS0924 power supply. Has been seen in other YouTube videos running my bus destinations. Its input, as you can see, is anywhere between alternating current of 100 to 240 volts AC and at 2.3 amps, and the output is 24 volts DC at 3.75 amps. Some more information on the side. Made in China. It can get warm. Doesn't get warm on my destinations, and it doesn't even go above room temperature when powering this light. It says do not operate in temperatures above 25 degrees. Seems to be fine in the UK. Well, anyway, the power leads at the bottom, we've got yellow for live and blue for negative, and the colours are wrong, but this is just for a test. And basically this is the light wired as is, so all there is left to turn it on. Without the ground wire connected, the light just glows dimly, but when the ground wire is connected to B bottom, the tube glows at the ends red and then fires up. Without that, the tube just glows dimly. And basically this is my Waldmann safety glass light, probably from a factory somewhere, no idea where. May have been connected to a machine, but the ballast, the original ballast, is missing. So this is my light as is, working. It's quite a nice colour. Nothing special, just a T12 fluorescent light. And thank you for watching.